Finally wrapping up my day, finishing up with Microsoft. Get that stuff handled. Oh boy. Favor ain't fair. Favor ain't fair. Favor is not fair. After this, I'm going to go to class, enjoy my best life. See if I can get a decent parking spot around here. Never a dull moment, man. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. Can't complain, man. Cannot complain. Had somebody reach out to me for some HVAC. People so busy here. I'm trying to connect them with the hookup. But you know, you can't put your name and your brand on everybody. This is a fact. This is a fact. Hopefully I should be out of here within the hour. Take my time. Let's see if we can get some parking. Last job of the day. Last job of the day. I got a feeling that I'm going to start this and they're going to have me drop it off and come back and do it tomorrow. This is one of them situations where the right hand don't know what the left hand doing. Like, bro, I recommend you do it tomorrow morning, but we'll see what happens. I'm not the one making the rules or paying the bills. I'm just providing the service. Let's see where I'm going to be able to unload. Let's see. Definitely trying to get this done so I can get to class. It'd be nice to get there on time for a change, but that never seems to happen. Let's see. Let's see. I think this is the service area over here. If I recall. Some of the service dudes out here. Delivery entrance. Let's see. Check it out.